Now let us start chapter 48, Migratory Birds. Migration is the to and fro movement of an animal from one region to another at a particular season. They migrate in order to breed or to find new feeding grounds. Of all the land creatures, birds are the best equipped for extensive travel because of their wings. The geography of the earth seems to provide them inputs for their migratory route. So look at the picture of some migratory birds and name them. The first one, look at this image. This bird is Arctic tern. A-R-C-T-I-C, Arctic tern, T-E-R-N. Now the second one, look at this picture. This is golden plover. Golden plover. The third one, look at this image. This is sandpiper. S-A-N-D, sandpiper, P-I-P-E-R. Okay, I hope these are clear to you. Now look at these pictures, these images, tell the names, you can take the need help. The fourth one, what is the fourth one? This is Canada geese. Canada geese. Okay. Now the fifth one is white stork. White color है तो white से आपको याद रहेगा white stork. Okay. The sixth one is scarlet tanager. Very beautiful. T-A-N-A-G-E-R. Okay. Now the seventh is warbler. W-A-R-B-L-E-R. Okay. Now look at this eighth. This is flycatcher. Flycatcher. So I hope these are clear to you. Very interesting facts. आप इनके बारे में और नॉलेज गेन कर सकते हैं, इनके बारे में पढ़ सकते हैं, सो दैट आपकी नॉलेज इंक्रीज होगी, आपको इंटरेस्ट आएगा कि ये कहाँ कहाँ पर होते हैं, कैसे वर्क करते हैं. सो लाइक दीज ऑल द पॉइंट्स यू कैन कीप इन योर माइंड.